Monday's precise and important news. Refugees Minister meets with Iran's ambassador in Kabul. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's Minister of Refugees and Repatriation met on Sunday in the Afghan capital with Hassan Kazemi, Iran's ambassador to Kabul. At the meeting, Khalilur Rahman Haqqani talked with Kazemi about the movement of Afghans living in Iran during the Hajj ceremony, cooperation with Afghan immigrants, the acceleration and ease of transferring the bodies of Afghans who die in that country, good dealing with Afghan immigrants, and further cooperation. In response, Kazemi said that he would try to bring the relations between the two countries closer and discuss the mentioned issues with authorities of Iran. The Ministry of Finance has reduced customs duties on some essential food items to avoid an increase in the prices of food items in the markets, to honor the holy month of Ramadan, and to take into account the economic situation of our people. The Ministry of Finance has reduced the customs duty on 6 food items from 17 to 80%. The meeting of the Political Commission chaired by Maulawi Abdul Kabir held. The meeting of the Political Commission was convened, led by the Deputy Prime Minister for Political Affairs Maulawi Abdul Kabir. Political Commission in this meeting approved the procedure of jihadi values after research and study. The production of metal factories has increased. As a result of decisions made by the Cabinet and Economic Commission of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, the production of metal factories has increased. This is due to the prohibition of scrap metal exports and a tax reduction aimed at promoting domestic production. Children with heart disease are now being treated in the country. Maulawi Matiul Haq Khalis, acting president of Red Crescent Society, says children suffering from heart disease who used to be treated outside the country are now being treated in the country.